Hey guys! My name is Karen, if you don't know, like if you're new. And I'm sure most of you aren't because I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I kind of quit this channel, so I'm not getting new subscribers. But if you're new and you've never been here, my name is Karen, and I started this YouTube channel like when I was in seventh grade. And at the time, I was watching YouTubers like Nikki and Gabby, Lord DIY, My Life as Ava, you know, those guys. And I really wanted to be like them, so that's why we started a YouTube channel. And I really like the experience, you know, I really like having my content be seen by the world, getting my content out there, and I thought it was a cool experience. That was until my classmates started watching my videos, and like, this was in New York, and in New York, we're not even allowed to be using our phones in class. So like whenever we would use like computers or whatever, they would literally go on YouTube and look at my videos and make fun of me in class. And it was just like, that was so embarrassing for me. And so, you know, I thought it was better to just like quit YouTube than to like continue getting bullied for making videos. And that was in 7th grade. At the end of 7th grade, I moved to Florida. And so I would make videos occasionally because, you know, I didn't want to lose all hope. And I started going to a school in Kissimmee. And at that school, the kids found out about my YouTube channel again, and they would make fun of me again. And you know, I was still like really weak-minded since I was like just out of 7th grade, you know, I was in 8th grade, like the beginning of the year. And you know, I was really weak-minded and I let all of this negativity get to me. And so, you know, I was just like, you know what, let me just completely stop this channel. But now I'm in high school and like, a lot of people see me acting like a goofball, like just at school. So it's just like, I might as well act like a goofball on the internet like I used to. And I also do cheer as well as track. So I have like people seeing me all the time, like year long, like crowds of people. And so like, I think that I've kind of gotten out of my shell, and like, I really don't mind people having negative things to say anymore. Like now I know how to handle it more, since I have had experience like with people watching me and stuff. Like I've never played a sport other than like gymnastics, and like not really a lot of people watched me, you know, just like adults, like if they would see like my gymnastics recitals and stuff. But yeah, I used to be really shy, but I think I've gotten out of my shell more, and that's why I think I want to start this channel again. And I hope I continue posting. Like, I hope I like the experience, because another reason why I quit was because I didn't really like editing. I thought it took too much time, and I just like, I have better things to do than to be editing all the time. But I don't know, I feel like maybe since I'm older, I think I'd like the experience, which I hope I do, because I do want to start up this channel again. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also since you're already here, like, make sure to subscribe, you know, subscribe. I need more more subscribers. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like it, and also make sure to comment down below what kind of videos you'd like to see me do, since I'm like kind of starting fresh. This is a new start. And yeah, make sure to comment down below because I really need ideas of what to do. So yeah, bye guys.